So on a situation like this, when Bayelsa is mourning in this level, it is only proper for us to come and condone with Bayelsa State. So I'm here on behalf of, first, myself as the governor, the good people of Rivers State, to pay a condolence visit on the governor, the people of Bayelsa, and the immediate family of the late deputy governor. I know how everyone feels, but it's a situation that we don't have control over. It is the Almighty that gives life. It is also the Almighty that takes it at His will. So, but the only thing we can do, no matter how the situation, as Sunny said, it is well. And we're here to say, while you're grieving, Bayelsa, Rivers State is also grieving for you. Wherever we need to come in, I want to assure you, my big brother, that we will come in to support. We know that there is no human condolence. There is no kind of sweet words that can fill this gap. It is only God that can fill it. And we strongly believe that He will do what Him only knows how to do. Let me, it's not a day for talking. We're not here. It's a sober, it's a sad day. Our visit is not the one that you bring the native. I didn't see the native thing, so I didn't even bother because I know it's not a normal visitation. You know the native one now. The last time we came, there was one native, the original one. But today we're not, because of the circumstance that brought us. So please let me, again, assure my brother that while you're going through this situation, we are also going with support. We'll support you. Wherever we need to come in, we will not be far from you. So to the family, while I'm here, I also want to extend our condolences to the family. Just be strong. Like I said, there is nothing we can say that can fill the gap. But the most important thing is we're standing with you, and God will help every one of us. Thank you for this warm reception. Thank you for the show of love that you just displayed here, even in this kind of situation. We believe that our next visit will not be on a sad note. It will be on a better one. Thank you, and may God bless every one of us.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. There is a
you wouldn't have seen a city like Yenagoa the way we are seeing it today. So there are too many advantages of state creation that quite outweighs, the non-state creation. And so, like you said, what will I say here? Is it about my Deputy Governor Lawrence himself? There's nothing that we can say here. We can talk from now till tomorrow morning. The truth is that we can't bring him back. If there is any way that we would have brought him back, and if they say we should continue talking for the next 1 month, I am sure that somebody like Osusu will be talking every second. We will be talking until we bring him back to life. But unfortunately, that's the end of every human being. And all of us, that will be our end. So having that at the back of our minds, we will always love to to show each other goodness, kindness, so that we will have the time to visit each other like you have done today, when it rains in somebody else's domain. Today it is raining in Bayelsa, and you are here with very senior citizens of Rivers State. We can't thank you enough. We can't welcome you enough. We know that these two states cannot continue to be in rivalry. There is nothing that is there that we cannot settle. Even the oil wells we are talking about, we are not the beneficiaries now. The main beneficiaries are over there. We are collecting crumbs, and because of those crumbs, we want to kill ourselves. And you rightly said no, and that's been my position. I'm happy that the issue of Suku oil well, we amicably, between you and I, we settled it. And for now, there is no crisis. Until when we find out the true position of issues and we all see that this is the truth. Because the truth, according to late Denny Fubara of blessed memories, says it's like a floater, that when you put it inside the water, that you will continue to put until your hands will be tired. And the moment you remove your hands, the truth will come out. The floater will come out. And so there are basic truths. Basic truths. That's why I'm not surprised when they say you are the people's governor. Well, for me, you are the undying people's governor of Rivers State. And you are the governor. You are the governor. Like I said here, at a point in time, a governor must take a decision. When I took the decision to move to APC, consulted widely, yeah, there were some no's, certainly. Everybody cannot say yes. And majority of the people said yes. And it behoves on me at that point as the governor to take a decision. And I took the decision. And that's what you are in Rivers State. At a point, there must be somebody who will take the decision. And so today you have elected to visit your state and then to condole with the family, to condole with the government and the people of Bayelsa State. Losing a deputy governor in the kind of Lawrence Irujakbo, all of us government officials seated there, as you see, everybody has one thing or the other to say about Lawrence. Some will tell you deputy governor is too tough, it's too hard. Some will tell you deputy governor is a man of proverb. Some will tell you deputy governor has no diplomacy. He will tell you raw. And everybody seated there, including the deputy chief of staff, deputy governor's office, who is right there. And so all of this makes who Lawrence is. But sometimes when I hear their comments, and then the kind of relationship I have with him, I begin to wonder, these things they are saying, is it true about my deputy governor? Because I see him as one very humble fellow. As one who is prepared to serve this state, and I think all government officials will tell you that the deputy governor served this state to the best of his knowledge, to the best of his ability. And so, for me, it is God's own time. And when it is God's own time, no man can stop it. If it is not God's time, God would have stopped it. That's my belief. And so I just close my ears to a lot of these side talks. It is just the human side that sometimes will make you to want to respond to these side talks. Otherwise, if anyone drops dead God must have approved of it. If he doesn't, there are people that they poison their food. They go and eat that food, and they are not dead. And then those who poison it will say, that man get more poison than my own. No. His own poison is more powerful than my poison. But it's because God is with that man. And the moment God is with you, he will certainly favor you. He will keep you alive. And so may God continue to favor you, Your Excellency. May God continue to favor your state, Rivers State. May God continue to favor Bayelsa State and keep us all alive, that we will be alive to celebrate one another. Thank you once again for coming. And God bless our two states, our two sister states of Rivers and Bayelsa. Thank you.